In my previous video, I explained about natural number, whole number, integers, rational number and real numbers. Okay. So, any number which can be written in form of P upon Q is called rational number. Even 0 is also a rational number. In last video, I explained it. Okay. So, this is our first question is which is numerator and which is denominator. I hope you know it. This is numerator and this is denominator here. Okay. So, next thing is how will we make denominator positive? Suppose any question is 7 upon minus 5. So, how will we make its a denominator positive? By multiplying minus 1 in denominator and the numerator. So, it will become minus 7 upon 5. Okay. So, these two things you have to remember. Now, our third question is find value of x. Okay. So, question is 6 upon 8 and x upon 9. So, we will equate it equals to x upon 9. So, x equals to 9 into 8 upon 6. 2 4s are 2 3s are. So, value of x will be 36 upon 3. So, x equals to 12. It's a value of 12. Now, next example on the basis of find value of x. It was question 1. Now, next question is find value of x. 9 upon x equals to minus 5 upon 4. So, 9 into, we will cross multiply it. So, 9 into 4 upon minus 5 equals to x. Okay. First we will make this x. X is here as denominator. So, we will make it numerator to find its value. So, x equals to 36 upon minus 5. Now, next question is fourth question. Fourth question is if we are having any rational number minus 5 upon 7. So, how will we make its denominator positive? Simple. By multiplying it minus 1 in numerator and denominator. So, it will become 5 upon 7. Now, next question is if there is any rational number minus 5 upon minus 7. So, how will we make its numerator minus 30? Minus 5 upon 7 is here and we have to make its numerator minus 30. So, same thing. Let's say denominator is x. Okay. Let's say denominator is x and cross multiplication. Okay. Otherwise, this is one method and so we will solve it. X equals to minus 30 into minus 7 upon minus 5. 5 6 so x equals to minus 42. Okay. Another method is minus 5 upon minus 7 equals to minus 30. Now this. So सो -5 क्या नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करें -5 में कि हमारा आंसर -30 आ जाए. सो 6, same thing, if we are multiplying numerator with the 6, so in denominator also we will multiply it with 6. So 6 5s are 30, -30. So here -42 will come. Okay, so in both ways our answer is -42. Now next question is write in standard form. Standard form means simplified. So standard form 102 upon -108, and we have to write it in simplest form or standard form. Standard form means we have to simplify this rational number. Okay, so 2 4s are 8. First of all, we will make denominator positive. So it will become -102 upon 108. Okay. So now we will simplify it. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So -51 upon 54. और अब ये आगे सिंप्लीफाई नहीं हो सकते हैं. ओके, दे आर सिंप्लीफाइंग, सॉरी. सो 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So simplest form of this number is -17 upon 18.